Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little tiny haul I wanted to share with you. It's a heavy mail. And so this is from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. Natasha had a Destash, a live flash sale. This actually came from the shop, so I'll show you that separately. But she was destashing some stuff. And so I got some things from her. I got this lovely pearl spray. Isn't this pretty? I'm going to be doing a Doily / lace book. I'm not sure which one yet, but I just thought that would be beautiful in there. And then I picked these up. These are going to be great for Christmas time, Christmas projects and things. It's red, gold, and silver. I don't know if she has any of these left yet, but these are just beautiful. And then I picked up a couple bundles of the pink and the blue. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to be in frame here. The pink and the blue. And then, there's some little things in this bag. I haven't even opened this stuff up yet. Okay, so I got some, these little blue flowers. Aren't these pretty? Thought these were very pretty, very springy-like. And then I got some wheat sprays. And these are really bright blue. And then I have some in the baby blue and the pink. And here's another light pink color. And then the fuchsia and red. Just think these are really pretty. And then these are like little fun stems here. And I mainly got these for the yellows in them because my niece is getting married and I'm doing all her wedding bouquets and stuff. And I thought these would be really cute sticking to her bouquets because she has chose to do sunflowers. And since she's getting married in the fall. And then these wheat sprays would look lovely in there as well. These are very pretty. And then I picked up 3 of these. They're like little flower bouquets with a little bead at the end of them. And they're wrapped in raffia and stuff. I just thought those were really cute. So I picked up 3 of those. They were 3 for $1. I mean. And then I got these lovely sprays here. This is the white flowers with some more of the beaded sprays. Is this not beautiful? I think that is so pretty. That would look so lovely in a white lace book or a bridal bouquet. And then I got 2 of these. I won't take them out. They're like rice almost, but they're just beaded sprays. And I thought those were really beautiful. So I got all that from a Destash. Let me see if I can place them down here so that you can still see them. I had meant to get this video out yesterday, but it didn't happen for me. So, let me put those right there. See if I can adjust my camera just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So that is what I got from the Destash. So I'm just going to put those aside because I really want room to show you this. I'm very excited about this. This is a Doily wall hanging kit, and I'm not going to use it for a wall hanging though. I am going to use this for a book, and it's a beautiful kit, and it comes beautifully wrapped, and she still has these in the store. So you get this beautiful, it's like tulle and little mini white roses that's wrapped up in. And that's just beautiful trim. And then, of course, you get this blue butterfly applique. It's really pretty. It's got little sequins on it. And then you're going to get some little blue flowers. These have little pearls with a little bling diamond thing in the middle of them. Beautiful. And then you get this lovely dangly piece of Venetian lace. Like an applique. It's beautiful. I can see that on a cover page of a book with the dangles hanging down. I just think that's beautiful. And then you get this doily. How pretty is that? Oh, let's see. And then you get a couple of bows, lace bows. And this beautiful piece of cut up the flower here. It's just gorgeous. It's cotton. It's very pretty. I'm not sure if those are still in frame. I'm trying. And then you get this beautiful flower here. It looks so pretty with bling in the middle of it, or whatever you want to put in it. Then you get some bling. You get 2 pieces of the blue with the like the diamond blue around it, and then you get a heart slide belt. I'll just see if I can take them out, show them to you. Okay, because they are a little different. Okay, so you get a round one, you get one with the blue heart, and then you get like a slide with this. And how pretty would that be in one of those centers right there? I thought that would be really pretty. And then also, you get some seam binding, and you get this dark bluish gray seam binding. And these would be lovely to stick in through here. You know, to show the bling off and showcase the ribbon too. So that's really pretty. You get a yard of each of these. Isn't that pretty? So you get that collar. You get this taupey color. It's really pretty. And then you get the light blue and a different kind of blue like this. I'm not sure what kind of blue. It reminds me of Carillion blue. And then you get a darker blue. So just beautiful seam binding. Then you get some of this blue sparkly trim like this. This is a beautiful kit, guys. And she's only going to be open through the end of this month. As you know, I think she is taking a limited inventory when she goes on their extended vacation. But she's not going to have a lot. So you should go to her store right now and grab this kit. And so then you're going to get this flower trim here. Now you can cut these off and use them individually. They have like the little clear centers to them. It's very pretty. And then she always sticks a little dryer sheet in there so they smell good. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at all of this yummy stuff right here. I can't even do it justice holding it, but is that not beautiful? Oh, and you know, when you do your lace books and things, or even wall hangings, you know you want dangles to hang down. So this is just lovely. I love this. And I'm running out of room. And then you get this right here, which is beautiful trim. Beautiful. Is that not gorgeous? Just all kinds of yumminess. I've, you know, snipped pieces off and just use like one little piece to tuck in somewhere. And you can do it like this. You can do it like that. Just beautiful. And this kit is very well priced. And then you get a white doily on the bottom. How beautiful is this kit though? It's just gorgeous and I love it. I can picture it now. I'm sitting here playing with it. But this is a beautiful kit. So head on over to Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. Like I said, she is open to the end of the month. She is going to be taking some limited inventory with her. You will be blocked from seeing the full inventory. However, from her store, I will put a link below in the description box for you. And This is just so pretty. I cannot wait to start playing with all this yumminess. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what I create with all of this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back in just a short few with a napkin swap that I have received. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit Natasha's Scrapbook Corner up and tell her I sent you. Alright, see you soon. Bye.